Social distance learning at CEDP Skill Institute. Mankind has always embraced and adapted to the evolution since its inception. At CEDP Skill Institute, we always strive to make new and unique approaches in the education industry to create skilled workforce for the modern world which can face any challenges of the emerging technological era. We focus on advanced education innovation that enables and empowers the youth with the apt skills and training. The education world across is currently facing a lot of challenges in these crucial times wherein the students and the teachers are not fully prepared for this pandemic. To meet this unique demand of the situation, since 21st March we shifted all our operations on a virtual mode and we are staying home and working from home. We left no stone unturned to carry out the teaching, the learning and the evolution as the time progressed. We are passionate about helping our students learn, grow and connect with our trainers during this critical time. We at CEDP Skill Institute started conducting online lectures for our students so that their skill education is kept on a continual mode. We are getting about 80% attendance on online lectures, which is very good, and going forward we ensure that it will become 100%. The virtual learning mode of skill education has helped everyone to learn from the comforts of their home, ensuring that the skill development remains unaffected during this pandemic. The queries, the doubts related to any topics are resolved at the end of the session by our trainers. Moreover, post the completion of these theory sessions, we are also planning to have practical demonstrative videos to be available for selective topics for our students. We have created learn from home modules so that the students can continue their skill learning while they are confined in the safety of their homes. All our courses are accessible online, so learners can utilize the time in the most efficient way to upgrade their skills. You can visit the link in the description to enroll for these skill development courses and start your studies while being at home. Amid this coronavirus pandemic, there is a huge shortage of patient care assistants reported across all hospitals across Mumbai and everywhere else. We are truly proud and delighted that our students who have successfully completed their course are now placed in this hospital to efficiently manage the increasing number of patients of COVID-19. Our trained students are fulfilling this shortage, and it makes us very proud that we are associated with several hospitals across Mumbai like Seven Hills, Apex and many others. We are monitoring their attendance through our On-Job Thikana OJT Android app, which enables us to ensure that the students are safe and secure in the premises where they are working. We have also joined hands with Mumbai Police to serve them at the Mumbai Police Quarantine Center, and our trained students will soon be being placed over there as patient care assistants and nurses over there. This pandemic has made the mankind follow social distance. We at CEDP Skill Institute ensured that this becomes social distance learning. While we are staying home and we're getting skilled amid the lockdown, today happens to be the 10-year anniversary of CEDP Skill Institute. Keep learning, keep growing and stay safe.